The carat is a unit of mass equal to 200 milligrams and is used for measuring gemstones and pearls. The current definition, sometimes known as the metric carat, was adopted in 1907 at the Fourth General Conference on Weights and Measures, and soon afterwards in many countries around the world. The carat is divisible into 100 points of 2 milligrams each. Other subdivisions, and slightly different mass values, have been used in the past in different locations. In terms of diamonds, a paragon is a flawless stone of at least 100 carats. The ANSI X12ED standard abbreviation for the carat is CD. Etymology. First attested in English in the mid-15th century, the word carat came from Italian carata, which came from Greek karation meaning carob seed and potentially from Arabic kirat, and was a unit of weight, though it was not likely used to measure gold in classical times. The Latin word for carat is siliqua. This common belief that carat derives from carob seeds stems from the assumption that the seeds had unusually low variability in mass. However, one group of researchers have found that carob seeds in fact have typical variability compared to the seeds of other species. This was not the only reason. It is said that, in order to keep regional buyers and sellers of gold honest, potential customers could retrieve their own carob seeds on their way to the market, to check the tolerances of the seeds used by the merchant. If this precaution was not taken, the potential customers would be at the mercy of two sets of carob seeds. One set of heavier carob seeds would be used when buying from a customer. Another, lighter set of carob seeds would be used when the merchant wanted to sell to a customer. In the past, each country had its own carat. It was often used for weighing gold. Starting in the 1570s, it was used to measure weights of diamonds. Historical definitions. UK Board of Trade. In the United Kingdom, the original Board of Trade carat was exactly 3 in 1,647 9,691 grains. In 1888, the Board of Trade carat was changed to exactly 3 in 17,101 grains. Despite its being a non-metric unit, a number of metric countries have used this unit for its limited range of application. The Board of Trade carat was divisible into 4 diamond grains, but measurements were typically made in multiples of 1/64 carat. Refiners' carats. There were also 2 varieties of refiners' carats once used in the United Kingdom, the pound carat and the ounce carat. The pound troy was divisible into 24 pound carats of 240 grains troy each. The pound carat was divisible into 4 pound grains of 60 grains troy each, and the pound grain was divisible into 4 pound quarters of 15 grains troy each. Likewise, the ounce troy was divisible into 24 ounce carats of 20 grains troy each. The ounce carat was divisible into 4 ounce grains of 5 grains troy each, and the ounce grain was divisible into 4 ounce quarters of 1¼ grains troy each. Greco-Roman. The solidus was also a Roman weight unit. There is literary evidence that the weight of 72 coins of the type called solidus was exactly 1 Roman pound, and that the weight of 1 solidus was 24 siliquae. The weight of a Roman pound is generally believed to have been 327.45 grams or possibly up to 5 grams less. Therefore, the metric equivalent of 1 siliqua was approximately 189 milligrams. The Greeks had a similar unit of the same value. Gold fineness in carats comes from carats and grains of gold in a solidus of coin. 1 solidus equals 24 carats, 1 carat equals 4 grains, is preserved right up to this day. Woolhouse's measures, weights and monies of all nations gives gold fineness in carats of 4 grains, and silver in of 12 ounces each 20 dwt.